Hey guys, this is Cleve from Cleve's Insights once again. My question to you guys, is it safe to ride your e-bikes in your neighborhoods these days? That's a good question. I find that later on in the evenings, you get people coming from work. You got people in this neighborhood now that ride, that works on cars. They want to make this neighborhood to a drag strip. You got motorcycles running down through your ATVs. But I know how to beat all that. I'm going to ride at about 10 this morning where everything is quiet and all of those other people are at work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little looky device, pin it to me, and we're going to go for a ride in the neighborhood. I'm going to show you how calm it is in the daytime. And this is why I enjoy riding early in the daytime. In the evening time, I can relax. Well, maybe. You get idiots going up and down the road. But without further ado, if you like what you see, follow, subscribe, let me know. Would you like to ride your bike in the neighborhood or just go to a bike trail and not be bothered by anybody? That's a mix. Today, I'm just going to ride in the neighborhood while it's quiet. But I prefer going to the bike trails. Let's see. We'll roll through the neighborhood and show you what's up. Let's go and get this ride on the way. You'll see what I see. Guess I better turn it on first. Well, and pedal assist one just going down to the neighborhood. Let's just see what I see. It's all relaxing right now. Everyone's at work. Whew, thank God. A lot of renters down in here. You can always tell. As we get further down in here, you'll probably be able to tell. This is down on the cul-de-sac, down past my house. We've been there for 29 years, and the families that have come and gone. Let's go up the hill. Now that the racetrack is clear, this is what people seem to want to go 100 miles an hour down through here. Which I don't know why, but they do. Pretty quiet now. Can't complain. Coming up here on the left, where you see this big F-150, that's where a lot of trouble comes from. Building, testing, blah, blah, blah. Right over there. Oh well. pretty quiet. I should do this more often. Let's go to the front of the neighborhood. Dogs, they better stay where they are. Yeah. Whew. I'm in pedal assist 1. Need some kind of assistance as I cruise through. It's okay. Hope you guys enjoy watching, seeing what's going on. Riding through a seemingly quiet, boring neighborhood, but just remember, it's about 10:30 in the morning, so all the worker bees are at work. Today's Friday. Come about 2:30. Right about the time the school buses and all that stuff start coming. Things get crazy. Okay, we're at the top of the neighborhood. Main road. That road leads to Walmart. I dare not get on that road though. Let's go back down through the neighborhood. So we're going through now. Pedal assist 0. This is me, my power. Need to get some kind of exercise, so I'm gonna see if I can make it up this little hill, which I know I can. Now, it's the difference between riding like road bikes or lightweight carbon fiber bikes and all that, and mountain bikes, than this heavy e-bike that I'm riding. Whew, you can feel it. It's okay, as long as you're not feeling it all the time. I'm gonna see if I could go without pedal assist for a little while. Listen to the birds chirp. Isn't that nice? Listen. Whew. This is life. This time of the morning. Now watch, these little dogs are gonna come out when I come down this way. On the right here. They must have an electrical fence or something. They won't come in the road or they'll be dead. Watch. Guess they didn't see me. Other end of the cul-de-sac. Those are renters. We got a little hill here, guys. I'm going to go to pedal assist 1 at least. There we go. Whew. That's better. So now you have it. A complete run through of my neighborhood with no drama. I wouldn't do this later on, especially today's Friday. It wouldn't be fun. Oh well. So, let me catch my breath. The quick ride is over. It took about 29 minutes, and I did like right at 5.9 miles. But so I just did this so you guys could see how nice it is riding in the neighborhood early in the day. So now I can get on with the rest of my day and go do other things. Thanks for checking it out, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you rather always ride at a trail or through a park? Or can you occasionally ride through your neighborhood depending on how busy or quiet it is? I want to know. Bye.